So, the BD Pre-Filled Saline with blunt plastic cannula injection syringe is used to prevent 4 catheters from getting blocked and to remove any leftover medication at the catheter site. It's important to use this product as directed by your healthcare provider to ensure its effectiveness. This saline solution can be used daily, and it's best to use it at the same time each day to maintain consistent care for your 4 catheter. When using this product at home, it's important to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional. Before using the syringe, visually inspect it for any particles or discoloration. If you notice either of these, do not use the liquid. Make sure to learn how to store and dispose of medical supplies safely. It's important to use this medication regularly in order to receive the full benefits. Try to use it at the same times each day to help you remember. Be sure to inform your doctor if you experience any signs of infection near the catheter site, such as tenderness, pain, swelling, redness, or warmth. If you experience mild irritation at the injection site, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. This medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using the BD Pre-Filled Saline with blunt plastic cannula injection syringe, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you are allergic to any of the ingredients in the product. It's important to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. If you have surgery planned, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. This medication is considered safe to use during pregnancy and also during breastfeeding. Always consult with your healthcare provider before using this medication if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. It's important to be aware that using BD Pre-Filled Saline with blunt plastic cannula injection syringe may interact with other medications you are currently taking. This can affect how your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of BD Pre-Filled Saline with blunt plastic cannula injection syringe. If you suspect someone has overdosed and they are experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the US, you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center for assistance. This medication should not be shared with others. Make sure to take each dose of the BD Pre-Filled Saline with blunt plastic cannula injection syringe as directed by your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for a new dosing schedule. When storing the BD Pre-Filled Saline with blunt plastic cannula injection syringe, it's important to keep it at room temperature and avoid freezing it. It's also best to avoid storing it in the bathroom to maintain its effectiveness. Make sure to keep all medications, including this product, away from children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. It's important to properly discard the syringe when it is expired or no longer needed. For proper disposal, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.